This is the outcome of the buttercream popcorn. Please do well to like, subscribe to my channel to get more of this recipe, where I'll be giving you bombshell of recipes on how to make your dishes and your snack and everything. For those that doesn't know how to make buttercream, I'll be sharing ways on how to make buttercream. Easy way to make buttercream. It's pink kind of in color. This is the color I decided to give to the buttercream. That's why it's like this. You can use yellow color, you can use green color, depending on food coloring. You understand? They use in making fondant. That's the color I use in making it. Please subscribe to my channel. This is a new YouTube channel that is just trying to grow. Please try to encourage me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please and please. And guys, this is how I make my buttercream popcorn. Now I place my pot on the fire. Add my groundnut oil. The essence of adding this groundnut oil is to prevent the popcorn from burning. You add your groundnut oil. Now, one thing about this popcorn is you don't need to put too much. You just check the circumference of the pot or the frying pan you're using frying it. You check it before adding your popcorn. Make sure that it's not too much. If it's too much, it will burn, and most of them will not pop. You understand me? So the next stage is to add your popcorn. And when you're done, you cover it and I'll allow it to pop for a while. You have to time the popcorn and know when the popcorn is about to stop popping. Then the next thing you do is you open the pot and put your buttercream use your spoon and add your buttercream on it. You stir very fast. Now you stir it very fast. If you eat this buttercream popcorn, it's very sweet. Now as you can see it, you turn it, you keep on turning it so as it will not burn. That's the essence of turning it, and so as it will circulate the whole popcorn. You can see it. Now your popcorn buttercream is ready.